A few days ago, photos and videos of an aluminum black Galaxy S22 appeared on the web. Allow you to understand how the smartphone will look like in a hand. And now photos and videos of a similar metal layout of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra have been published. Now X7 and the cover picture have teamed up to give us our first look at a dummy unit of the Galaxy S22 Ultra in live photos accompanied by a short hands-on video. The overall shape of the device appears quite similar to the last year's Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which further emphasizes recent rumors that it may end up being a Note 22 Ultra instead. Based on rumors from on leaks, the Galaxy S22 Ultra, or we can say the Note 22 Ultra, will carry a 6.8-inch dual-core display. The device features a distinct P-shaped camera bump on the back, which should house up to 4 cameras. The new leak also mentions the S Pen slot rumors are true, though the dummy unit does not have a stylus cutout. Volume and the power button are all located on the right hand side. What do you think about this design? Sound off in the comment section. And yeah guys, judging by these materials, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will still be a large smartphone. If the dimensions of the S22 and the S22 Plus are reduced by using smaller diagonal screens, then the Galaxy S22 Ultra will most likely remain as large as the current model. The top and the bottom edges are flat. The screen is bent to the side walls. The photos confirms the flying camera of the Galaxy S22 Ultra with one module as it were sliding down. The decision is arguable, but Samsung designers seem to be confident in it. And since the manufacturers of the covers use such blanks, it means that such a variant of the camera has already been approved. Mass production of the Samsung's new flagships should begin in November, with the Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus and the Galaxy S22 Ultra officially launching and selling early next year. So yeah, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news. And as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.